Welcome everyone, here's how you take a screenshot in your iPhone. So if your iPhone does not have a home button, you want to click and release the power button here and the volume up key. Click release and you can see a screenshot is taken. Now if your iPhone has a home button, you want to click and release the power key, but this time with the home button, okay? So click and release like so, power and home button, and a screenshot will be taken. There are other ways to take a screenshot too. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the settings app. From here you're going to scroll all the way down until you see accessibility. From here you want to find touch. Scroll all the way down and you should see here back tap. Now if you are trying to follow this video and you weren't able to get to this area, then what that means is your device does not support this feature. So I'll cover one more way to screenshot, so skip to the timestamp down below. If you tap on back tap, you will see double tap. You can tap into this one and just set this to screenshot. Now when you double tap the Apple logo on your iPhone, you can see it's going to take a screenshot just like that. If you accidentally are taking screenshots with a back tap, you can set a triple tap, or you can just set to none. Now the final way in order to take a screenshot is you're going to open up the settings app. You then want to find where it says accessibility. On the older iPhones you won't see accessibility here, you will need to tap into general, then you'll see accessibility. So once you're here, we just want to find where we see assistive touch. Okay, so on the older iPhones it's right here, just tap into this one. Now on the newer devices you can see it's not here, we need to tap on touch and then assistive touch. So we're going to turn on the assistive touch. By default you can see nothing's going to happen, so we're going to see where it says custom actions. Tap on single tap, you then want to find screenshot. So now when you tap on this, you can see it will take a screenshot. Okay, if you don't like it taking a screenshot with a single tap, set single tap to none and then maybe use long press or double tap. Okay, so let's find where it says screenshot. So I double tap, there we go, it will take a screenshot just like that. If you ever want to turn off assistive touch, you just tap on this toggle to turn it back off. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.